Lesson 2.3, More Graphs for Quantitative Data, Example 2. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention surveyed U.S. high school students every 2 years to determine the percentage who said that they had used marijuana one or more times. The following time series plot presents the results. A. During what time period was marijuana use among high school students the highest? Alright, to answer this question, we are actually going to be looking for the tallest point on the graph, and that looks like it occurs in this area right in here. Looks like the use is kind of evened out here. And so the years that go with this are 1997 and 1999. Alright, B, true or false? At one time, more than half of all high school students reported using marijuana. Well, if you look on our scale over here to the side, it only goes up to 50%, and 50% is half. And since our graph does not go above 50%, this one is going to be false. C, during what period of time was marijuana use increasing? And during what periods of time was it decreasing? Alright, to find the places where it's increasing, we are actually looking for an uphill trend on the graph. Now it's going uphill between here and here, and then uphill between here and here, and uphill between here and here, and then remember it just kind of levels out after that. And then on this side we actually have a downhill trend going on. So it looks like we have increasing going on from 1991 until 1997. And then for the decreasing, we're looking for exactly the opposite. We're looking for a downhill trend. Now remember, it's kind of steady right through here, but once we get to this place, it's headed downhill, then it goes down further, then it goes down further, and it kind of flattens out, but it's still actually going down slightly. So we have a nice little downhill trend from here all the way over to here. And that looks like it's going to be the years 1999 through the year 2007. Alright. Alright, and then the last one, D, true or false, marijuana use among high school students in 2007 was lower than it had been since 1991. Well, if it's lower, then that means that the right half of our graph is going to need to be lower than the left half of the graph. Let's see if that's the case. In 1991, marijuana use was right here in the 30% range. And if we draw a somewhat straight line across, we see that the point for 2007 is actually slightly above where it was in 1991. And so this question is going to be false also.